The ocean, vast, deep, and endless. For centuries, it has held secrets beneath its waves, secrets long forgotten by time. But every secret has a way of surfacing. On this day, something unexpected was discovered. A team of oceanographers, searching for nothing more than geological data, stumbled upon something ancient, something unexplainable. There, beneath miles of water, lay a structure, ancient, forgotten. A gateway sealed by time itself. But some secrets should remain hidden. The disturbance awakened something older than humanity, guardians of the deep who were never meant to be seen. The balance of the ocean was breaking. Storms rose from the depths, and the once calm sea turned into a force of chaos. Across the world, the ocean rebelled. Creatures of the deep were no longer the only threat. The only hope now lay in sealing the gateway, preventing the ancient power from spreading any further. But time was running out. With a final pulse, the gateway was sealed. The ocean, once wild and restless, began to calm. The creatures vanished back into the depths, their purpose fulfilled. The secret was buried once again, hidden beneath the waves, waiting for the right time to resurface. But the ocean never forgets. Its secrets are always there, waiting, beneath the waves. The ocean may seem calm, but remember, beneath the waves, mysteries still linger.